All right, everybody, we are going to talk about the first assignment in part 3 of the free concert on the concert tour simulation. We're going to talk about designing a concept flyer. It's on eLearn, and it's also on your book on page 49. So what I want to talk about is the objective is to design a flyer for your band's first concert. Your band in the simulation right now at this point, you've gotten all the stationery done, the business card, letterhead, and envelope, and now you're promoting this free concert you're throwing to introduce your band to the public to get awareness and get some fans. So you're expected to use Adobe InDesign to create your flyer. You may use Photoshop, Illustrator, Fireworks as well to design and create the images inside your flyer. Upon completion, you need to save it as, if you're in 1B, you would put 1B underscore your last name, first initial underscore flyer dot, and then the InDesign file extension, and turn it in the Dropbox. So here's the overview. It's time to generate some publicity about your newly formed band. So you decide to hold a free concert in your community's local park. The free concert flyer will hopefully get people to come and hear your band play. In this project, you will use your desktop publishing skills to design a concert flyer to help advertise the big event. The flyer will be posted around your school, inside of local businesses, and on telephone poles in your surrounding community. So think of local parks around this area that we're in, and kind of make it real, like you are actually planning a real concert. So list that place as the location. Pick a time and an upcoming date, and make it like you're really going to do this. You know, kind of get into it. Keep in mind what a flyer is. A flyer is used to communicate a simple message to an audience. It can take on a variety of formats and sizes. The design of a flyer can range from simple to complex, and flyers are used to announce events, advertise a product or service, or promote a cause. The primary objective of a flyer is to capture the reader's attention using minimum space. Now, this assignment is really good because it's applicable to almost anything you do. Like if you want to start a lawn business this summer, you could create a flyer. Later on, if you own a business, you can create flyers for that. Or if you're raising money for a charity, like my wife does, Susan G. Komen, we could create flyers for that to get people to donate money. So what you learn in this activity can be applied all throughout your life. So you can say you've done it before. The flyer is one of the bigger assignments. It's going to count more than like the business card or envelope. So be sure that this is one of the big ones. So be sure that you spend some quality time doing this one, and that you do everything it asks. Just want to show you real quick. Here's some examples of some flyers that previous students have done. Some of them are more creative than others, but I thought these were all done well. See the use of space. They're not too crowded. You know, they don't go too overboard with cramming too much stuff. But you got the when, you got the where, and you got the what. So keep that in mind. You need the when, the where, the what. All the information that everybody needs. But these are very well done. I really like this dinosaurs with ray guns again. Let me go to the book and explain some of the instructions. Now, if you go to the book, on page 50, you got your gray area right here, and that's like before, all the checks that you need to make sure that you include in this. This is the stuff I look for when I'm grading this. You need an eye-catching headline like free concert coming soon, or premiere free concert of, and then your band's name. So a headline, that's the first thing I'm looking for. Must include the band's logo that you designed, your slogan or tagline, if you created one, and then information about the type of music your band plays. So rock concert, country music concert, gospel, whatever. Put the names of each member in the band. That's optional, but you would use those names you put on the band planning form. Call to action, which includes the date, time, and location of the concert. So that's the when and where. Contact information, including your band's address, city, state, zip code, phone number, fax number, email, and website address. Don't forget to put those. Those are commonly left off on these, and I count points off. And those are easy points, so don't lose those points. And additional text or graphic images that will help make your flyer achieve the objective of getting people to attend this concert. You don't want your band to throw this concert and nobody show up. Wouldn't that be embarrassing? So the next thing you need to look at is on page 51. Always look at the page setup instructions for InDesign. It says one page, 8.5 by 11 inches, 0.75 inches on all sides, orientation portrait. So when you open up InDesign, it should be just like this. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up InDesign. And we're going to create a new, I'm going to show you how to create a new document to get this started. It's really good practice to try to keep all your text within the margins. Don't go outside those margins. That's what the margins are for, to give you that white space you need in there. I'm going to go to InDesign Preferences, Units and Increments. Make sure that everything's inches for horizontal and vertical. Click OK. And I'm going to create a new document. Now it said 0.75 on all sides. So my chain is linked, so they're all there. It's portrait, 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to click OK. So here you go. This new document has a margin set, and it looks just like this. So all you have to do is create your new design. Save this in your 6 weeks folder as 1B underscore last name first initial underscore flyer, and then copy in the Dropbox. So does anybody have any questions about the concert flyer? Okay, no question. So remember, this is one of the bigger assignments. Try to come up with something creative like these examples that I put on eLearn. Make sure you pay attention to the instructions, and that is all. Yes, you have a question?
On the card.
I'm talking about the flyer right now.